Hi everyone, welcome to week 6, lecture 3. Today we're going to be talking about the economic system and what is the economic system within a specific economic environment. The economic system is a mechanism that deals with the production, distribution, and consumption of the goods and services within a specific economy. Now, there are three broad types of the economic system. So there is a market economy, there is a command economy, and there is a mixed economy. Now, let us try to examine each and one of these in more details. Now, you might already know a different type of countries that are using each one of these economic systems, but let's go one by one. Market economy is an economic system where the businesses or factories or points of production are privately owned and governed. So a profit is divided between the owners of the business. Now, when we overly look at this particular model, we can see a great resemblance of capitalism, but not at all times. There are some aspects of the market economies that go into certain percentage where the businesses might be owned or government might have some interest in those economies. But what is important to understand when we talk about the market economy is that the decisions are made privately. So there is a very, very minimum role of the government. And if there is any role of the government will really focus on introducing the policies and legislation that will further enhance the market economy and open it up more to the privately owned sector. The countries that we commonly refer to those market economies like England, Japan, UK, Australia, New Zealand as well as being one of those. The next one is a common economy. So with a common economy, the economic activities are very much controlled and regulated by the government in the general interest of the public. Now, there is this close link when we talk about the common economy to a socialist system. Now, there are two forms of the socialist system: democratic socialism and totalitarian socialism. Now, with the democratic socialism system, there is some level of freedom where the businesses can make certain decisions themselves in way they run their own businesses. But on the other side, totalitarian systems takes those small decisions completely out of the hand of the private sector, and they introduce policies and regulation that will control all the aspects of the business operations within that particular common economic system. Now, the last one is called a mixed economy. Now, in that particular case, the government and privately owned sector coexist hand in hand. We'll also find that throughout their operations, they will rely on each other's findings in order to introduce the policies that will benefit and increase the level of economic activities with a particular sector and increase the level of production of the same. Now, very important to understand that they will not interfere in each other's operations. They will try to find the best way to enhance the overall activities within a mixed economy for a sole benefit of both parties operating within a particular structure. Now, that brings us to the end of the week 1 and our understanding to economic business environment. Until next week, stay safe. Take care.